Here's Wallace making the best of the really beautiful weather. And he is, what are you doing?
What I'm doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm filling up the dump trailer with the pieces of tree that fall on the ground to throw on the dumpster.
Yay! So we're all getting ourselves tidied up here, and you can see he's done a really good job back in here. Piling up because there was a tree came down from up there and he's piled it all up. I actually met you yesterday in Tractor Supply buying a big axe. And did you buy a sharpener for it as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, see the things we do.
Yeah. So yesterday the job was clean up the whole tree, cut it in little pieces to put in the trailer, make the tiles of the pieces of tree. Yeah. And then today he's fill it up and done with this.
And it's done.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.